September 1962. Adam Faith was on the front cover of Radio Times, and so were we.
Wales Today was making the news. At 6:10 on Monday the 17th, we went on air for the very first time.
Hello and good evening to you on this most important day in the history of the BBC in Wales. For, as you may know, today we're celebrating
the one thing that they were absolutely agreed upon, that it wasn't going to be me to present it. They've all agreed that they didn't want me. And they told me to my face that they didn't want me. They wanted someone new, but you can do it for a couple of weeks, say 4 or 5 weeks, to see how we get on. And I was there for years and years and years afterwards.